Every journey starts with a single step, and my web development journey began a year and a half ago. I embarked on this adventure by diving into the basics, HTML and CSS. I vividly remember buying my first Udemy course and writing down every piece of knowledge in a humble textbook, since I didn't even have a computer to practice on. Page after page, I absorbed the fundamentals of web development, driven by sheer determination. Finally, the day came when I got myself a laptop. Excitement filled the air as I eagerly tried to put my newfound skills to use, but reality hit hard. Building a basic website wasn't as simple as I thought. Frustration loomed, but I didn't give up. Practice became my ally. With each challenge I conquered, I inched closer to creating websites that truly satisfied me. Then came the pivotal moment, JavaScript. Determined to expand my horizons, I embarked on a new project, CMDU, a terminal-inspired website for managing to-dos. It was tough, but I embraced the challenge. I dived into research, Googled relentlessly, and watched countless JavaScript tutorials. In the journey of creating more projects, I learned to wield powerful tools like Tailwind CSS and Webpack. The world of front-end frameworks beckoned. React.js took center stage. With documentation and crash courses as my guide, I've ventured into new territories, and as my skills grew, I decided to craft my own portfolio website. This was the moment I delved into web design, selecting fonts and colors to create an identity. Coding this website was a breeze, fueled by my excitement to showcase my journey. Eager to learn backend, I embraced Firebase. Two projects emerged, a dynamic to-do list and a global chat room, merging the power of React.js and Firebase. And now, my journey continues. As I stand at the crossroads, I'm ready for a new chapter freelancing. With a toolbox filled with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Firebase, and more, I'm here, offering my skills to the world. If you're ready to collaborate, explore my Fiverr page in the description. Let's bring your web development visions to life together. This is my web development journey. What will yours be?